So here's another wig from DivasWigs.com. I'll make sure I put all of the links down below so that you are able to purchase this wig at your own interest. I am actually just doing a quick unboxing, and on this video I'm actually going to show you how I prefer to wear wigs straight out of the box. So I'm going to give you step by step what you could do, and it's not a permanent idea, but as you can see, this wig is a full lace wig. There is a lace frontal, and the rest of the wig, which is lace material, the wefts are sewn on. There's combs on both sides and in the back, and this is the texture of the hair. It's not kinky coily, but it is a curly hair texture. This is what the lace frontal looks like. It's pre-plucked. It has some baby hairs, and you see in the back, those are the wefts that are sewn to the cap. So what I usually prefer doing is actually styling it off of my head first, just so I can check the cut. So here I'm wetting it and then checking the cut, just clipping or cutting where I need to. I'm not doing a lot of extravagant styling, just kind of fixing the cut itself. So I still kind of use the old school method. It's just my cap is a little bit lighter. I prefer using the elastic band and then just putting the combs underneath. This is how I cut the lace off. I prefer to pull it really forward on my forehead and then cut it from there. I tend to cut very close to the hairline because I want it to blend in with my own, or more than likely with my own forehead. So that's what I do. With the temples and the sides, I do have to cut even closer, almost cutting the hair off the lace itself, and then I just use whatever edge control that I have and just create, you know, lay my own natural hair down and the baby hairs of the wigs itself down, just to hide and kind of blend in the texture of my hair. I do a lot more when it comes to the parting, but in this case I'm not doing much because I want it to be something very simple that you can do right out of the box. And from here, I never suggest that you just wear it straight out of the box. I think you should actually shape it and frame it to your head, even if you did do a little fixing of the cut before installing this on your head. Guys, so real quickly, this is another wig, DivasWigs. You guys noticed that from the beginning clips. This isn't my first wig from DivasWigs. I've been working with them quite often, off and on, for the past couple of years, and every wig that I have gotten, the quality of the hair is amazing. Now, again, the last one I did was a straight hair wig. I believe it was like a bob. It was just amazing. The cut and everything. The cut on this was really nice, but it still needed some balancing and some fixing out, so I had to wear it in order to do that. But I really want to rave about the quality of their hair, and this is just my honest opinion. This has nothing to do with them wanting me to say this. This is from a consumer's opinion, period. The quality of their hair, ever since I've worked with them, just amazing. Like, I love this texture, mainly because this texture hair, you can straighten it and it would be a beautiful bob. I've gotten another wig that they had that was like this texture too, and the bob came out amazing. It was nice, it was full, it had that African American like yaki, like kinky straight texture, and I can see that happening with this one. But the cut of this wig and just the overall hand and feel of this wig, I have to say it's amazing. So I wanted to rave about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick, like, how to style right out of the box, what to do with your wigs right out of the box. And yeah, dang, this is really, really nice. I just love how like bouncy it is. It's just, I'm never disappointed with the quality of their hair, even with their kinky hair, like their kinky, tight, coily hair. I've never ever had a problem with the quality of their hair, just the way it feels and everything. And the density is always good enough, even though I think the density on this one is a little different, because I know this was more than likely was a what do I want to say? We won't say Brazilian straight, but this was a straight wig that was processed to have this kinky, like this crinkled texture to it to make it look curly. So that's why it looks so flat in the top, and then you got all your volume at the bottom. So I know that's what it is, but it's just the way that this hair feels. You could probably flat iron this hair, wet it, and get it right back to this. I can definitely see that happening, because that's happened to a wig that I've used from them before. I purchased from them before. So, and that's like years ago. And working with them for so many years, the quality, so I have to let you guys know that. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.